This video will show you how to make an account in Uber Eats delivery in UK. To set up an account in Uber Eats is that you should just follow these simple basic steps. First and foremost, you should go to the website or app, then click on sign up. After that, you just need to provide your phone number or email. You could also sync it with your Google account. After syncing in, then you're done. You can now order what you want. Also, you can see here cities near me, where you can view what's available in Uber Eats. And that's basically it. It just needed your simple account like Google or your mobile number, then register the verification code that was sent to your number.